Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Welcome to our 10th and last lecture of Arabic grammar. After this, we will be starting off with Arabic vocabulary. Today, we will be learning antonyms, adding pressure in antonyms, same words with different meanings, he who, she who and these who, those who, sigahe mubalga. So without any further delay, let's hop on to our 10th lecture. Antonyms.
يضرب.
If we add la in the starting, then it becomes the opposite meaning.
لا يضرب.
He does not beats or he will not beat. Now, if we add sakin in the end of the antonym, then it becomes another way of writing an order. For example,
يضرب.
he beats or he will beat.
لا يضرب.
He does not beat or he will not beat.
لا يضرب.
He should not beat.
تضرب.
You beat or you will beat.
لا تضرب.
You do not beat or you will not beat.
لا تضرب.
You should not beat. You can add other pronouns as well.
يضرب.
He beats or he will beat.
لا يضرب.
He should beat.
لا يضرب.
They, both, should beat.
لا تضرب.
You should beat. You can use other pronouns as well. Here is a small summary for the ways of writing orders. If you get confused, then don't be, as when we will start the Quran you will easily understand it. This is something that we wanted you to keep in mind. In Quran, another word is also used to say no, that is lam. It is used for past. Even if you use it with a present tense word, the sentence becomes past. For example,
يضرب.
he beats or he will beat.
لم يضرب.
He did not beat. Note that the sentence is in past now.
لم يضرب.
They, both, did not beat. Note that the sentence is in past now.
لم تضرب.
You did not beat. Note that the sentence is in past now. You can use other pronouns as well. In Quran, another word is also used to say no, that is lun. It is used for future. Even if you use it with a present tense word, the sentence becomes future. It also adds pressure in the sentence. For example,
يضرب.
he beats or he will beat.
لا يضرب.
He will definitely not beat. Note that this sentence is in future.
لا يضرب.
They, both, will definitely not beat. Note that this sentence is in future.
لا تضرب.
You will definitely not beat. Note that this sentence is in future. You can use other pronouns as well. Same words with different shapes. There are some alphabets which, when we join them with a verb, it changes the shape of the whole verb but the meaning remains same. These alphabets are
قال.
comes from the word
قول.
is in the shape of
فعل.
which means he said.
دعا.
Comes from the word
دعوة.
is also in the shape of
فعل.
which means he called. Some more example of these are these words, with different shapes but same meaning, are difficult to recognize as they don't have same patterns for every word. Therefore, you have to learn. These are provided vocabulary in the next lectures. He who, she who, and these who, those who.
الذي.
He who.
اللذان.
Those two who.
الذين.
Those, many, who.
التي.
She who.
اللتان.
Those two who.
اللاتي or اللاري.
those, many, who. For example,
إن الذي فرض عليك القرآن.
indeed, he, Allah, who made the Quran obligatory upon you. Here, you can see,
الذي
is used,
إن
means, indeed. Another example is,
إن الذين آمنوا.
indeed, those, people, who believe.
صيغة مبالغة.
Words like,
غافر
becomes,
غفار ساتر
becomes,
ستار واهب
becomes,
وهاب ظالم
becomes.
ظلام.
Words like,
غافر
are also written in the shape of,
غفور.
to add pressure in it. This is also part of.
صيغة مبالغة.
Words like,
غافر
becomes,
غفور صابر
becomes,
صبور وادد
becomes,
ودود شاكر
becomes.
شكور.
Some of these words are also written in the shape of.
فعلان.
These are also part of.
صيغة مبالغة. رحمن
One who is merciful. Comes from the word.
رحم.
These words in different shapes are all parts of.
صيغة مبالغة.
And are used differently in the Quran, but we won't go that much deep so you don't get confused. You just have to remember that whenever these words come, you should know their meanings. Note, in
صيغة مبالغة.
there are no genders. Same word is used for both genders. For example,
غافر
or
غفار.
is used for both male and female. This is the end of your 10th lecture and your conceptual lectures. Revise thoroughly what we have taught you today and in previous lectures. In next lectures we have provided you with vocabulary of Quran. Memorize them as they comprise of 82.6% of the Quran and will ease you in understanding the Quran. Please do not miss those lectures as they are very important. You can access notes for this lecture and all the previous lectures from our website, Tafseer-e-Quran. Just search for Tafseer-e-Quran 20 Days Challenge or click on the link in description. Till then, Allah Hafez.